Locked out of your Samsung phone, or need to bypass FRP? This video will show you how to use SamFirm. First things first, you'll need to download the SamFirm zip file. But stop right there. Before you extract it, you must temporarily turn off your Windows virus and threat protection. If you leave your protection on, Windows will automatically delete the installation file the second you unzip it. Don't worry, you can turn it right back on when you don't need SamFirm. Now, go ahead, extract the zip file, and complete the installation. Next, connect your Samsung phone to your PC. Take a look at the top left corner of the interface. You'll see an option that says Bypass FRP. Go ahead and click that. Follow those on-screen prompts, and SamFirm will do the heavy lifting to unlock your device. Now, let's be totally real for a second. Disabling your computer's antivirus can feel a bit sketchy, and SamFirm's interface can look a little intimidating if you aren't a tech genius. If you want a much safer and easier route, I highly recommend using MagFone Android Unlocker instead. MagFone features an incredibly clean, wizard-style layout. It walks you through the entire process step by step, making it the perfect tool for absolute beginners who just want a fast, stress-free fix.